Welcome to everybody. I am Kadal Amudam from Chennai. Today we are going to learn few fundamentals of RPA, robotic process automation. Most of the details for this video have been taken from an ebook by Institute for Robotic Process Automation. Some of us might have seen record and playback feature in some applications. I have seen in Photoshop. Let us assume I have 100 photos of size 3600 into 4800 pixels. I want to scale down to 600 into 800 pixels. To do this automatically, I have to stop the recording. I have to open one image, select the appropriate tool, reduce the image size and save it on the original file itself and stop recording. If I play back the recording, then the remaining 99 images will be scaled down automatically. RPA works similar to this feature. This is not a very good analogy, but it will give some indication. Let us assume the following scenario. A sales manager has the following routine job. Every day he has to look into the reports of his team of 10, prepare one consolidated report, input some parameters into ERP, send a mail to his superior with an attachment. This process can be fully automated using RPA. In the early 1990s, outsourcing became a pivotal strategy for companies seeking access to world-class capabilities and much needed cost reductions. Outsourcing had a dramatic impact on cost reduction. Outsourcing impacted labor pools locally and globally. Some panicked, others were enraged, but the effect of RPA is globally controversial. Yes. Political. Yes. Stoppable. No. Employees across all domains are scared, but there is optimism about the future. There will always be work, but of a very different kind. To work with RPA, not necessarily to put workers on the unemployment line, but to retrain them. Robotic process automation is here to stay. Will there be job casualties along the way? Absolutely. But the fact is, those companies that bury their head in the sand and don't make the change, either because they don't want to or don't know how to, will suffer the same fate as the companies that just 2 decades ago did not prepare for the shift to an offshore outsourcing economy. The forecast is that by 2020, as much as 40% of information technology outsourcing and business process outsourcing service providers will be out of business or acquired by larger enterprises if they fail to embrace the change and reinvent their business models. And 2020 is not far off. We are at the end of 2018 and there is just one more year in between. Robotic process automation is smart software. This smart software do high volume, repeatable tasks that usually take people an unbearable length of time to accomplish and which they typically find mundane to perform. In other words, if our job is new every day, then it cannot be automated by RPA. The job should be repeatable and high volume and human labor intensive. These jobs are fit cases for RPA. People who are doing repeatable, mundane, high volume, boring jobs are at high risk of being replaced by RPA. RPA takes artificial intelligence and expert systems to an elevated level. Among leaders in the automation industry, robotic process automation is perceived as offering unique capabilities and advantages over previous technologies. Autonomics, as IBM and other organizations call it, gives any work process that is definable, repeatable, and rule based the ability to map out a business process and assign a software robot to manage the execution of that process just as human would. A bank in the United Kingdom needed a strategy to deal with increase in high risk accounts. Robotic process automation was an attractive alternative. The technology allows a business process to be automated without changing existing company systems and framework. There are a number of high risk customer accounts that must be reviewed daily. These customers are listed in this queue because they have insufficient funds to cover scheduled and upcoming payments. Prior to the automation of the system, a team of 11 employees was assigned to clear the queue daily. Approximately 2,500 accounts required manual review to determine whether or not the payment should be processed or returned. It took up to 8 hours for 11 employees to reach the end of the queue, and the risk of inconsistency and error always present. The automation software reduced the bank's processing cost by 80%. The automation has freed the bank's employees from dull and tedious tasks, thereby enabling them to be more proactive in the relationships with customers. Customer service practices have improved and customer relationships strengthened. The bank has been extremely pleased with the results of this RPA implementation and continues to analyze its business processes and functions for additional automation and opportunities. Please note that none of the employees are issued a pink slip. With adaptability and awareness, RPA is capable of automating activities that once required human judgment. These software robots are able to perform the tasks of knowledge workers whose jobs have been immune to impacts of automation. While traditional automation can complete a rule-based, repeatable task, RPA takes automation a step further. Dubbed as the automation of automation, RPA combines automation with the adaptability and awareness of artificial intelligence. This technology is able to learn and respond to problems. The difference between RPA and traditional business process automation could be likened to a driverless robotic car versus a car using cruise control. As companies transition to robotic process automation, they will aggressively re-engineer themselves with these smart systems, thereby reducing the need for remote labor pools. They will also improve business processes and execute sophisticated and targeted data analytics with increased speed, quality, and scalability. Awareness becomes a key characteristic of robotic process automation through the ability to conduct customer analytics, data mining, social media analysis, and the warehousing of big data. Just like e-tailer Amazon works to further understand the behaviors, habits, and needs of its customers. Awareness becomes a key characteristic of robotic process automation through the ability to conduct customer analytics, data mining, social media analysis, and the warehousing of big data. Just like e-tailer Amazon works to further understand the behaviors, habits, and needs of its customers. Let us see an use case. When Lara, who works in the purchasing department for a regional auto parts chain, began working with automated technology, she no longer had to spend her time doing manual inventory counts, submitting purchase requisitions, and processing credit verification, which saved her hours of paperwork and potential processing delays. Here is how RPA takes on a more analytical role than a transactional one. When inventory count is low, the software can be trained to trigger the issuance of a purchase requisition from the appropriate department. The sophisticated system even has the ability to interface with the vendor systems to verify the availability of the inventory items that are needed. Finally, once requisitions are verified, purchase orders can be sent out by the system, and all of this is done automatically without the need for Lara's involvement. The cost saving from onshore to offshore is one third, and again from offshore to RPA, that is digital labor, is again one third. Let us see another use case. A globally recognized insurance firm in the United States was in the process of transitioning its data and systems to a private cloud infrastructure. This infrastructure needed to have the capability to scale virtual machines up and down as needed. The existing system that deployed and managed these virtual machines was highly reliant on human assistance. It quickly became apparent that a more autonomic, self-learning, self-healing system was required to support the company's expanding infrastructure. The solution combined virtualization technology with autonomics to craft a flexible system that is capable of scaling up or down of thousands of virtual machines on a daily or even hourly basis. Not only are the virtual machines auto-deployed, they are self-monitored. Even the backup management has been automated. This greatly reduces the amount of human intervention required while also eliminating error during the process. Improved data analytics. Each task the robot executes produces data that, when gathered, allows for an analysis. This drives better decision making in the areas of the processes being automated. Increased regulatory compliance. RPM fully tracks and documents that's being automated. This makes a company become more compliant with industry and audit regulations. Increased efficiency. A software robot never needs time off. It can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. It does not apply for sick leave or take a vacation. Higher employee productivity. As software robots handle the more repetitive, tedious jobs in a business, employees can participate in more value-added activities that involve personal interaction, problem solving, and decision making. Improved accuracy. Employees are human and all humans make mistakes. A compelling feature of RPA is its capability to visually eliminate processing errors. Increased customer satisfaction. As employees move to more customer facing roles and as automation makes processes more efficient and error free, customers are likely to become more satisfied with their experience. Robotic process automation has the ability to operate and interact with employees as either independent automation or assisted automation. Independent automation does not require human intervention. Assisted automation, however, still requires human assistance for decision making. For example, while a customer service representative may be communicating with a client, that representative may use this assisted automation technology to access necessary information about the client, fill an order, or communicate data between the front and back office. As RPA technology becomes more sophisticated and new jobs will be potentially be created for human workers with the advanced skills needed to maintain and improve this technology. In other words, as we move towards the future, humans will work hand in hand with robots to transform the way we do business, resulting in lower costs, increased efficiency, and improved customer service and employee satisfaction. Expanding RPA from transactional processes to more analytical ones, many people are banking on the future of RPA being on the cognitive side, the ability not only to adapt and assess but interact and iterate, possessing the ability to understand contextual element. In short, RPA would operate just as human brain would and maybe even beyond it. RPA takes artificial intelligence and expert systems to an elevated level. What distinguishes this type of technology from traditional automation is its ability to be aware and adapt to changing circumstances or new situations. RPA technology is a good candidate for almost any organization that has many different complicated systems that need to mesh together. The healthcare, finance, insurance, and banking industries are particularly ideal. RPA technology offers companies an alternative to outsourcing, which often results in lower operating costs, decreased cycle times, and increased productivity. RPA technology tracks and monitors all tasks that is automates. Therefore, it enables companies to become more audit and regulatory compliant and to deeply analyze company process. Thanks to the software ability to adapt, self-learn, and self-correct, a company can further optimize its business process using RPA technology. It is important to optimize a business process itself prior to automation. As a pilot test, the company should automate a smaller, low risk task. If the test proves to be successful, the company can begin to automate entire end to end processes and IT functions. Though it is expected that automation software will replace up to 140 million full time employees worldwide by the year 2025, many high quality jobs will be created for those who are able to maintain and improve RPA software. As more and more companies adapt RPA, it must be combined with other processes and technologies to optimize the benefits it yields. With time, this revolutionary technology has the potential to optimize and improve processes throughout the entire business world. RPA can do multiple jobs. For example, It can process documents for HR department from 9 to 12 am. Then it can help admin for an hour. Later, it can take up the jobs of accounts manager and prepare offers for the incoming inquiries. Similarly, RPA can share one single job among themselves. For example, let us assume 1 lakh records need to be processed and each processing takes 10 seconds for an RPA. So it will take 10 lakh seconds. To reduce the time to 10,000 seconds, 100 robots can be employed to finish the queue faster. Blue Prism is one of the top 3 RPA software provider. I have watched their series of 44 tutorials. It looks like they are not yet integrated artificial intelligence into RPA. They may introduce it in the coming days. At the same time, it has the capability to automate any process without typing any codes. Typing is required only to name various parameters. It looks like all .NET, Java, C++, and Python developers may go out of job very soon. It may look like scary, but it is inevitable. RPA will touch all nooks and corners of any business unit, small or big, and bring sweeping changes in the way we do business today. I have some fundamental understanding of artificial intelligence. It has various tools to suit variety of problems to solve. The question is, how is it possible to integrate these tools into RPA? Will RPA will have all these tool sets? Then no one can afford to buy an RPA. Or will there be different types of RPAs depending upon the different types of AI tools? Only time will answer us. But even without AI and expert system, RPA can perform a lot of automation jobs. That's what Blue Prism is trying to do. We have come to the end of this session. You can post your questions or clarification to my mail ID or WhatsApp number. If few of you wanted a group discussion, I can organize a webinar at some convenient date and time. I thank you all for your time and patience. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you once again.